In this video, I am going to show you how to install gns3 and how to load iOS in gns3 in Windows 11 operating system. For downloading the gns3, in description I have attached gns3 download link. Once after downloading, you are able to install the gns3. For this purpose, we need to run the gns3 exe file. Then we need to confirm the user control. Press yes. Then we need to press the next button. Agree the terms, then press the next button. Here you can select the components. I'm using the default one and pressing next button. Here you can choose the destination folder, that means installation folder. I'm pressing the next button. The installation has been started. It will take time. Middle of the installation, we will get the pop-up of installation components. We need to confirm and install the components. Also, it may pop up the license terms of components, so we need to accept that one as well. I'm doing the fast forwarding for avoiding the video lagging. Now we can see our GNS installation has been completed. Here we are able to see the GNS3 shortcut in desktop. If you are running first time, you will get a setup wizard. So I am choosing the default one. Now our GNS3 has been loaded. For uploading the ISO image, we need to select the router. Then press the new templates, then choose the manually create a new template, then select iOS routers. We need to choose the image file of our Cisco router. I'm selecting the iOS router bin file, then open, then press the S button. Here the bin file convert to image file. We need to choose the location of saving image file. I'm just selecting the default one and pressing next button. Here we can enter the name of router and we can choose the platforms and chassis. I'm just using the default one and pressing the next button. Here we need to use the RAM memory. I'm using the default one and pressing next button. Here we need to add the interface cards. I'm just adding some cards for configuration. Then press the next button. Here we need to get the ideal PC value. If you want to calculate the ideal PC value, we can click directly on the ideal PC. I'm just leaving that part and just press the finish button and then press apply. OK. Now we are able to see the router in router panel. Here we can configure the ideal PC value. For best value of the performance, we need to use the ideal PC value. For calculating that one, we need to right click on the router and we can select auto ideal PC value. If you want to calculate manually, we can choose ideal PC option. First we need to start the router for configuration. Here I am started the router. For the configuration, we need to open the putty. If you right click and open the configure option, we need to enter an email ID. We can use any demo email for continuing the setup. Now our router is loaded. If you want to add the second iOS file, you can use the same method. Here I am just showing one more router, one more ISR router adding in Cisco GNS3. For this purpose, I am using the ISR router 3640. So the same method I am just following. Now we are added two routers. One is normal router, another one is ISR router. If you want to take the configuration panel, we can right click on the router and select the configure or console. If you are right clicking and selecting the console, we will get the console access. Here you are able to see configure and console. Both purpose will be same. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please press the like button, share and subscribe.